Hey, you there. Guess what? Today is a very special day. Did I spit on myself? Can you believe that I'm 28 years old? Oh my God, that is fucking crazy. Yeah. What's cooking? Good looking. Hey, you there. Have you subscribed yet? Go ahead and subscribe. I'm watching you. Just kidding. Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another one of my videos. As you can see, I'm like uber excited. It's okay because today's a special day. Drum roll. Not only is this today that Jesus came from out of that cave, even though everyone thought he was dead, today is also a very special day. It's the anniversary of the day I, your girl, pushed out of her mom's vagina. Now, I bet you're wondering, how long ago was that? 12 years ago? 18 years ago? Probably even 21 years ago. Thank you. I know, I look good for my age. Today, 28 years ago, I was born. Now we are still in quarantine, so I have to just, you know, make the best out of an okay situation. I'm not sick, I am in perfect health. Today is a beautiful day. Technically when you see this, it'll actually be my birthday. Today is actually the 11th, but it is a beautiful day today. Technically tomorrow, on my birthday here in Georgia, we will be having a storm. But I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful weather today and take a few pictures and look cute for the gram and be blessed to be here another year. So let's just go ahead and get right into this makeup look, and we're going to just enjoy the day together, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my eyebrows really quickly just to save us some time, and I'll be right back. And we're back and we're better. Y'all, when I tell you I am so hood with myself, I finished my eyes, which is why you see like dark circles now, is because I finished my eyes and they were looking so cute. And your girl just wasn't recording. Here we are. I don't know any better. 28 years later and I'm still doing dumb stuff. So just let you know, folks, it doesn't stop. So the palette that we're using today is the Huda Beauty palette. We're using the Rose Gold Remastered palette. If it'll open, there we go. The Rose Gold Remastered palette. This is what she looks like. So the first color we're gonna go into is Demure, right here. It's like a light brown type of color, and we're gonna just start working this into our crease to build that crease up. Now we're gonna go into Cocoa down here, and we're gonna start. We are going to one with the crease now. We already started. Now I'm gonna go into Black Truffle right here, and I'm just gonna put just a little bit back here in the corner because we are gonna do the iconic wingless wing. So it needs to have a little bit of black back here just so that way everything blends together. Now I'm going to go into Tarte, their Shape Tape. And we're going to just tap this on to the lid. We're doing more of like a soft glam type of look. So there's no actual structure to where we're putting the concealer. I'm really just, honestly and truly, really just putting the concealer on just to actually have some brightness, because we are going to be using like some shimmer glitter type of colors, and so this is A, to help me with placement as far as like where I want everything to go, and then B, this is also going to act as a base for the color, so that way they come out more brighter and potent. Now I'm just going in with it Demure, and I'm just blending out that back part of the concealer. Now we're gonna go to 24 carats in the air, or whatever Bruno Mars said. And now I'm just gonna start patting this. And then now I'm gonna mix Moon Dust and Bubbly just to brighten it up a little bit. Now we're gonna go in with this is the Tarte's Double. It's the felt tip and a crayon in one little crayon pencil thing, and we're gonna just draw on our iconic wingless wing, and we're gonna go ahead and just keep it moving, sis. And then now we're gonna go back into Black Truffle, and we're gonna go ahead and set this liner and really smoke it out and make it something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes really quickly, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off as well underneath my eyes, just so that way we can, you know, not put makeup on top of black, because it's not gonna blend well. So I'll be right back. So moving on to the fun part, which is the face. We are going to go ahead and prime our face, the Milk Hydro Grip primer, and we're gonna go ahead and just put this on our face. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Now we're going to be using an oldie but a goodie. Haven't used this in a minute. We're going to be using the Beauty Bakery Instabake foundation today. So obviously this is not my color. I guess it is like my summer color. Y'all, I look like y'all's president. Oh my god. So I'm going to add Anastasia's Beverly Hills foundation. This is in the color 335W. Now this is their luminous foundation, so it has more of a kind of like lightweight type of concealer. I mean foundation. So now we're gonna go into concealer, and I'm using Beauty Bakery again. This is in the color Disturb the Peace, but it's like piece of pie piece. Okay, that's running out, so I'm just going to add some Shape Tape. This is in the color Light Medium. They're basically the same color. And then I'm also going to take Coconut from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And then on top of that, I am adding Espresso from Tarte. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that out first. And now I'm going in with a brush to go ahead and blend the concealer out. And then we're gonna go in with a sponge and just make sure everything is nice and seamless and airbrushed. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Brightly Setting Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye. Now I'm going to go in with the Hoola Bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color Cappuccino. And we're going to focus this just in like the hollows of the cheek. And now I'm going to take Morphe setting powder in the color Banana. Now I'm setting this below strictly as a fallout catcher, and then I'm going to go back in with the Tarte on the crayon side and put the black in my waterline. And then we're going to add some dark brown on the lid. Then we're going to add some dark brown on the bottom to blend that out. And you always want to go in with a light hand when you are smoking out the bottom to match the top, because you can overdo it and it can come out real raccoonish real easy. Damn, that's sexy. Help me finna be cute. Then I'm gonna go in with some mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go in with ginger. Then I'm gonna use a loose glitter highlight. So we're going in with So Hollywood from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and spray our face. Okay, so for our lips, we're gonna go in with a just classic like red ombre look. It goes really good with gold. So I'm gonna go in with Night Moth from MAC Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. And then now I'm gonna go in with Uncensored by Fenty Beauty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change clothes real quick and then we'll be right back. Okay, so here is the final result. My mother decided to start vacuum cleaning. But here's the final result of this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and spending just a little bit of your day with a little old me. We made it. I am officially 28 years old, y'all. I am so excited. Woo! It just feels so amazing. I'm so blessed to be able to make it to this birthday, because most people, some people don't. Unfortunately, that's just the way life goes. Some people don't make it to this birthday, so each birthday is a blessing for me. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.